That was really cool. I love the way they curated the gifts. Okay, so we are doing unboxings, and I just did the very Chrisley Christmas. And some of those items you can see in another video. Some of those items I will keep, to be honest with you, and some of them I thought I should give them as a gift, and I'm going to pray about it because they were all very, very cool gifts. But at the same time, I feel like there is some stuff that I could give and that people would really, really enjoy. So here's something that I got for me, and I have not seen it yet. This is the Skechers On The Goes, and they have all kinds of shoes that are Skechers On The Goes. But this particular one, this is the box it comes in. This particular one is a boot. And given that we are, open this, given that we are mostly working from home, I am anyway, I wanted not a Christmas boot, a kind of a winter boot that keeps my feet warm, that's comfortable if I want to go out. It has a real sole on it. So it has a real sole. And here it is. And I got this on QVC. And I gotta say, I love it. Okay, so this is a velvet boot. I feel like I'm a QVC person. So this boot is made of velvet, and it has this beautiful teddy bear cuff around the ankle. And it is a pull-on. So here's the question. Is it the right size? I think I ordered an 8. Look at the tread on the bottom there. So this can definitely be worn around the house to keep you warm while you're working from home, but at the same time, if you need to walk outside to take the dogs out for a potty break, or to fill your bird feeders with bird seed, or if you need to run up to the store or run out for breakfast or lunch, you have a sole that can not only be indoor, but it can be outdoor. It's a very good sole. The velvet, people think, oh, but if it's raining, well, I would be careful if it's raining. But other than that, this is a wide fit. I can't wait to try it on and see if it fits. So I'm very excited about that. Again, that is Skechers Performance. It's called Skechers On The Go, and I got that on QVC. Okay. Next, this is my footwear unboxing. I got this from Coach, and I got kind of a matching purse to go with them because I thought I'll kind of let my fashion sense go. And I think that's kind of happening to all of us. You know, working from home, you don't really need any because it's just you. But it's just like makeup for me. I still like fixing up. I do. And so, and I still occasionally will meet a friend for lunch and we just social distance. There's a couple of places that I trust how they're dealing with their food. Certainly my local Chick-fil-A's, and then there's a couple of cafes that I do trust how they are dealing with COVID-19 and the proper regulations and procedures to make sure that food is served correctly, people are social distance, etc., etc., etc. So, I'm not saying I won't go out. I'm also not saying I will keep these shoes. But I saw these on sale online, and I thought, you know, I've always wanted a white bootie. And this is a jewel patent. It says jewel patent bootie, and it's a white patent. I didn't know it was patent leather. It's not exactly. Oh, it is patent leather, y'all. Here it is. What do y'all think? I didn't count it being patent. The jewel, they call it the jewel, is this Coach charm right on the heel that you can see right there. It's just a C, and it has clearly been squinched on there. I don't know how they did it, but it's also a zip up, and it's very pointy toe. And I can tell you right now, this looks very, very tight. I went up a half size to make sure that I can handle this sharp inset, because the instep for me is what hurts right there on that bone. Also, it's extremely pointy toe. I thought it might be a little wider. It is wide once you get back here, so I'll have to try this on later, and I don't know if that's going to work. Also, the more I thought about it once I ordered it, as pretty as this is, especially with that jewel, again, you can see right here, there is a beautiful see. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try to get it close, but that always seems to actually fuzz it up. So I'm going to bring it back. And just put my hand as a background. That is very, very pretty, very classy. And just because the ladies of the day are saying it doesn't matter after Labor Day if you wear white, but I almost think of this as a winter